How to fix ChatGPT not working. So first, go to your browser, and then what you need to do is just click on the three dots here at the top right corner, and then look for the browsing data here. So just click this one. After that, you just need to uncheck this and make sure that cookies and other site data are checked. Okay, and then just make sure that the time range is at all time. So once you've done that, you just need to click on delete data, and then you can check if ChatGPT is now working. So let's say that did not work. What you can do next is just click on the three dots again here, and then what you need to do is just click on or hover your mouse over extensions, and then click on manage extensions. Now from here, you will see all of your extensions. What you need to do is just turn the extensions off, because sometimes it might it can be the reason why ChatGPT is not working. So once you've turned that off, you can check out if ChatGPT is not working. So let's say it doesn't work as well. What you can do is just open ChatGPT in a incognito. So what you can do is just click on the three dots here again, then click on new incognito window, and once you're here, you just need to search for ChatGPT and then open ChatGPT from here and see if it works. So if that doesn't work as well, what you can do next is, if you have a VPN, you might need to turn that off, because sometimes it is the reason why ChatGPT is not working. So that's it. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. See you in the next one.